Can you really achieve the zero tax plan? Nobody likes paying taxes. Let's face it, watching your hard-earned money disappear into a black hole is frustrating. But what if there was a smarter way to keep more of what's yours while building lasting wealth? That's exactly what I help business owners and retirees do every day. Cut taxes, grow cash, and protect their wealth the smart way. Imagine this. You wake up one morning and realize you're not just working for a paycheck. You're working for a purpose. Your money is working for you too, not just Uncle Sam. Because here's the truth. Everyone deserves to pay less in taxes. And now you can. But the big question is how? There's a video circulating online about a supposed zero tax plan. It sounds amazing. Take $200,000 in income and turn it into $11,000 of taxable income, leaving you with a tax bill so small you barely notice it. The idea is simple. Spend as much as possible on deductible expenses, invest heavily in real estate, and voila, no taxes. Except there's a problem. Actually, there are several problems. Let me break it down for you. Problem 1, the reality check. The plan assumes you make $200,000 in your first job. For most people, that's simply not realistic. Even if you do, does it make sense to invest 94.5% of your income into a strategy that leaves you with just $11,000 for basic necessities? Let's not forget about FICA taxes, which would eat up even that small amount. Problem 2, the math doesn't add up. The influencers suggest buying a $400,000 property and taking $189,000 in depreciation. But in the real world, generating that kind of write-off requires purchasing at least $1 million worth of property. And how are you supposed to qualify for a mortgage that size when you're only reporting $11,000 in income? Problem 3, the hidden costs. To make this strategy work, you'd need to either qualify as a real estate professional, which is unlikely if you're working full-time, or operate a short-term rental, a path full of additional work and risk. Many cities are tightening regulations on short-term rentals, making it harder to rely on this option. A smarter approach. As attractive as tax-free living may sound, it just isn't doable for most people who want to live somewhere nicer than in a van down by the river eating cat food in retirement. It's more realistic for retirees who can allocate their assets to non-taxable sources like Roth IRAs or cash value life insurance. But even then, it takes more planning than you'll find on a social media post. Don't hate paying taxes so much that you cut your nose off to spite your face. Don't hate the IRS for the job they do collecting them. It's Congress that makes the rules. And call us to help with a plan that puts tax savings in a proper place with your other financial goals. The truth is, taxes aren't the enemy. They're a challenge. And like any challenge, they can be overcome with the right plan. That's where I come in. Why work with me? David Tuck is a Portland financial consultant and former IRS auditor. He has spent decades mastering the ins and outs of the tax code so others don't have to. His mission is simple: to guide individuals through the complexities of taxes, empowering them to become the hero of their own financial story. Together with his clients, David crafts strategies to cut taxes, grow cash, and protect wealth the smart way. Don't let another dollar slip away due to overpayment. It's time to take control. Schedule a call today to start building a zero tax, or as close to it as possible, future. Everyone deserves to keep more of what they've earned. Cut your taxes, grow your cash, protect your wealth the smart way. Visit www.mytaxsecrets.com, where you will discover how to cut your taxes, grow your cash, and protect your wealth the smart way.